Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and I like to colour. Today I'm a little bit late. I think it's the 8th of September. Usually I have this done by the 1st, but yeah, I just had kids home and things going on. So I wanted to show what I wanted to get done for September. I want to do another It. I'm going to do this one because this is one of my favourite scenes in the movie where it's not Eric's, is it Eric? No, it's Bill Skarsgård. Where Bill Skarsgård Pennywise comes out of the fridge, and he unwinds himself out of the fridge. And that's in that house where he lives. That's the scene that I really love. Like, they don't have him in the fridge, obviously, but yeah, that's where the girl, I can't think of her name, obviously pokes him through the eye. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that one. I could change. I don't know. There are quite a few in here that I like. Like I just want to do one with Pennywise, just a normal face. I'm not a huge fan of the what are they, dead lights and that. I'm not a huge fan of that. But I just want to do. I could do. I'll probably be doing this one because it's got two Pennywise faces and crumbling and all that. So I do actually look forward to doing that one because I really enjoyed doing that one. So this is a definite that I'm going to do. And the next one I'm going to do is a Dark Fairy Tales. Now I'm tossing up, it will depend on how I feel, I'm tossing up between, this is the Wizard of Oz, so this double page spread here, or the very first one, Rapunzel. But Rapunzel isn't calling to me right now. It did before, but I think I might do this one. It's the, was it Tornado? And the barn and Dorothy. And yeah, these kind of steroid pumping Scarecrow, Lion and Tin Man. And yeah, curious to know what he's been chopping. And he looks like he's got some sort of disease that's given him warts. But anyway, this isn't actually, oh look, there's a brain. I didn't see that before. That's right. I probably will do this page. I'll try and get that one done just as a side one. That one doesn't like jump out at me. I'm not like, I want to do that one. This one does, but that one doesn't. But I'm in the mood for getting the 2 pages done, so I'm going to try and get both of them done. The next one I'm probably going to do is Pennywise, just because I want to do Pennywise. And I figured I'd do another Magical Worlds one. May as well try and get through some of hers, because some of them are simple and I love dragons. So I decided I will probably do this one. This one here doesn't interest me that much. Looks kind of like a snake or something, I don't know, like a seahorse snake. That makes sense. A seahorse a seahorse snake with wings, whereas this one's a dragon watching over its egg. And with this I can do shading on the egg and shading on the dragon. And yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the Chinese dragons. I love the big, Game of Thrones, House of Dragons type dragons. I don't like the slithery, like snake looking dragons, and that's what this one is. But yeah, I think I will get this one done because that will be a quick and easy one, hopefully. Last time I said a quick and easy one, it didn't turn out to be quick and easy. What you think is going to be quick and easy usually isn't. My next one, I want to do just a face one, and I did her last time. And then I flicked the page and I saw her and I just thought innocence, ice cream, young, summer, because we're coming into summer now. It's what, September? It's the very beginning of spring, like the very, very beginning. And I'm already putting sunscreen on at 6:30 in the morning to go for a walk because the sun is that strong. I will do this one innocent, like, haven't thought about the background. Might do like a pattern background because I haven't done a pattern background in hers, and I'll just be curious to see what it looks like. So some sort of pattern behind her. Yeah, she just looks happy and innocent and young, and it takes you back to being young and a kid and being able to eat ice cream without thinking, oh, I'm going to regret this tomorrow. I'm going to put on weight. And one I haven't done in a while. God, I really do hate the way Australians sound. And I'm not picking on Australians. I love Australians. But when I hear our accent compared to Americans and English, I think, oh my God, that's just so embarrassing. So this is Clara Markova's Orchid Full of Fairies. I'm going to do this page here. When I say think, these aren't all set in stone. These are the ones that I hope to do, but things could change. So I do hope to do this one, which is similar to the front, but I'm going to do it different. Yeah, I hope to just do the blackberries looking really realistic, and her little, like, I don't know what that is, some sort of weird mushroom house. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to do anything fancy or different with this one. Just going to do what it is with like a blue background and grass or moss or whatever that is. And yeah, that is my plans for September. I have to open them, otherwise I'll forget what I said I was going to do. I have a really bad memory. Now I can't find it. Oh, it was the dragon one. I remember it was the dragon one. Pennywise. And I also have this one for September, which I have finished. Yeah, so this is House of the Dragons, obviously a dragon. That is what I hope to get done. I also hope to get Hannah Curzon's Halloween book. It does look interesting. It's just, got to cut back on spending and things like that. So I do hope to get the Halloween book, because I don't have any Halloween books. And if I do get that, then I'll get some of them done. Anyway, that is my plans, and fingers crossed I can get it done. And sorry this is late, and I will see you next time. Bye.